So Paul, it's been a bit of a surreal 6 months with lockdown. How have you found that?
Well, it's been very difficult. I think most people have found it positive in some ways, but obviously what's been going on in the world has been very traumatic for a lot of people. So yeah, it's been quite difficult, but obviously spending a lot of time at home with the family, close family. That's been good in some respects. The weather's been good, but no, it was a lot better when the lockdown relaxed a little bit, and to see some football on TV, albeit with no supporters, and a bit of golf on TV, helped get through that difficult time.
So it's been sort of 9 months without the 21s playing in international. How do you prepare for getting the boys back on the pitch then?
Well, from probably June, the middle of June, when UEFA sent the mandate to tell us that the September fixtures, would be taking place. From that point on, really, we put some building blocks in place. Started contacting clubs and players over the course of the last 6-8 weeks. And now we know the game is only, a couple of weeks away. We're obviously putting squads together and planning for the itinerary to stay at the Vale.
Looking at some of these players now, you have selected Liam Cullen, like you mentioned, scored a great win, and he's been playing a lot for the Swans. It's been a positive, it's a good positive story for you, really.
Well, yeah, after they returned after COVID, a lot of the championship teams, people like Liam Cullen and Brendan Johnson, Jack Vale, they all got involved with their first teams. Cull scored his first goal against Reading, so I said well done, and he thanked me for the text. Brendan's obviously done well, playing a part of the run-in for Forest, and as I said, Jack Vale got some minutes at Blackburn, which he hadn't done previously. So yeah, there was some positivity on the return, but after a break again, he'll be getting back into pre-season, and hopefully, they can forge careers at their clubs in the first team environment rather than playing 23s.
And two players you worked with the last 18 months, Ben Cabango, Nico Williams, getting the call up to the senior team. That's great for you to see as well. Obviously, so it must be disappointing Ben's not with you, but great for him to get that senior side call up.
Well, no, absolutely. We're in the intermediate age groups, and the players come through. Some jump through quickly, some bide their time and play all the age groups. But Ben's come on leaps and bounds over the last 18 months, 2 years. Another one who played, after lockdown, almost every game, maybe got rested once or twice. And I watched him on TV many games, and he's done exceptionally well. So he fully deserves his call-up, and we'll wish him well. And the same with Nico. Nico's emergence has been fantastic. His temperament, personality, character has shone through. To go and play in that team must have been unbelievable. He must have been in awe when he first stepped into the dressing room with the first team players. But he adapted fantastically well, and he's come through as a shining light and a shining example for all the other players.